Welcome to Pydle Day 145. Pydle is a daily puzzle you solve by writing Python code. Just first, before we start, something strange happened the last 30 hours. Look at the graph of invocations of Pydle. So it's gone from very little to 17,000 per hour. So I'm very grateful for those playing Pydle. Really interested to know where you found out about Pydle. Okay, so today's Pydle is a mushroom from Super Mario Brothers. So have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle, or you just want some hints how to solve Pydle, then I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a scorpion. So stick around. Okay, so there's not any symmetry in this puzzle, so we're just going to keep our two loops for x in range and for y in range, looping over the 25 pixels. Okay, so let's tackle the yellows first. So the condition for yellow is if y less than 2, because remember we're counting from the top, so 0, 1, so y less than 2, and x, we're just going to do x in 2, 4. Okay, these are the yellow bits. Okay, so let's tackle the browns next. So Aleph, and the browns we're gonna just have a condition for y, which is 1 less than y less than 4, and x equals 3, because it's just on that vertical. So x is constant and y is just in that range. Okay, so let's do that. That's the browns. Okay, and now for the orange. We need an Aleph because we're going to leave the rest of the pixels black. So we've got x equals 0. Now we need to limit the y. So we can either say x is 0 and y not in 0, 4, or y equals 4 and x in 1, 2. Okay, so there's various ways of doing that. That's one way to do it, and it's quite compact. Okay, that solves the Pydle yesterday. If you didn't play yesterday's Pydle, have a go, and then do play today's Pydle, and I'll see you again tomorrow for the solution. And thank you for everyone who's been playing. Keep on playing. Thank you.